Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Freaking nightmare. Oh, look at that. Little catchy. He jumped. When I threw that spinner out, I saw him jump and chase after it. Heck yeah. Alright. We'll get him back in the water. Off the bait caster. Off the chartreuse spinner. Hey guy, hey guy, hey guy. I'm here for you. Just chill. Alright, let's get him back. Oh shoot, there was a big one. There was a monster in there that just came up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm getting scared. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, get it. Oh my gosh, he's out there. He's out there. Oh my gosh, got him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes. Come on, baby. Look at that. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh no. Oh no, spin out of it. There you go. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at him. Look at that beauty. Oh wow. Fuck yeah. I saw you, bud. I saw you out there, man. Heck yes. Look at this beautiful rainbow right here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh, super stoked. I'm considering this my first catch of 2021 right here. Look at this beautiful rainbow. He's a good size too. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Time to let him go back in. He is ready. Got him. Got him. There he is. Oh, came out. Let's get him under the bridge. Nothing. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. All right. Yeah. It's pretty good. Pretty good size. All right, let's get him back in the water. Get out of here. Back to your little world. That's your big world, the water world. You not want to come in. My bud, good fight. Oh yeah. Oh man, yeah. Look at him. Another good one. All right, my number 4 for today. That's the rainbow trout. He's going back in. All right, girl. You. Look at this bad boy. All right, let's get him back in the water. Just a little guy. Just hanging out right here. All right, he's gone. Go, buddy, go, buddy, go, buddy, go. Got him. Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping. Oh, nice. Heck yeah. All right, we're gonna let him go. Right here, nice little rainbow. All right. Check him out. Heck yeah. All right. He's ready to go back away. All right, bud. There you go. There you go. There he goes. Alright, I am out of here for today. The Abu Garcia did awesome today. The baitcaster, love this thing. It's starting to become my new favorite rig, new favorite pull. I caught that biggest rainbow on him. Caught him on that spinner. All my big fish have been on that chartreuse rooster tail spinner. This is a good little spot though. I've never been here before. Right under the bridge. Calling it a night. Freaking jacket is drenched. I'm freezing. I was in that water. I had water come inside my waders and I just kind of dealt with it, but now I'm regretting that because my feet are freezing. I didn't wear a proper rain jacket either. It was nice and warm until it got saturated. Then it became a really wet, heavy jacket. Awesome day. I can't wait to look back at that footage. That rainbow, that big rainbow, he jumped up. I thought I spooked him off, and then he came back for that spinner, sunk it. Oh man, on the Abu Garcia too, that baitcaster. Beautiful, love it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, big time appreciation. See you on the next one.